Hey, it's Mark the Guitar Guy here, but I'm going to be talking about a technical issue that happens with a lot of guitars. Okay, so this gorgeous Cole Clark I'm holding right now happens to have wonderful action. So what is action? So action is the distance between the string and the neck of the guitar, so the wood part of the guitar. So when you're pushing down on the string, how far does that string have to go before it lands on the little frets? In this case, not far at all on my Cole Clark. I've got like a fractional bit of space before I actually can play a note. But that distance determines how easily I can actually play the guitar. So if I play on a guitar that has really bad action, it's a real difficult thing to do, and you've got to push down really hard to play a chord. Your fingers just get super sore. However, the cool thing is most guitars you can actually repair or adjust so that the neck action is lower. So what people can do, you can take it to a guitar technician or to your local music shop and say, hey look, can you check the action on my guitar? I want it to be nice and low. Now people don't say this, so a lot of people just would like to hear pure guitar sound, so they're too scared of lowering the sound of the strings in case they start buzzing, which I understand. However, I think people can go a lot further than that. I think you can actually lower your strings to this point where actually you can enjoy the chords and enjoy the softness of the guitar a lot more. So take it to a person, ask if they can adjust the action. There's a thing called a truss rod, which is a metal rod which goes through the inside of the neck of the guitar, and you can get, sometimes you can see it right in here. I don't know if you can see that today. Little wee truss rod underneath there, so it's underneath in here, tucked right away. It might be quite hard to see there. Other times you'll see the connection here. There's a little wee plastic piece that you can take the screws out and you can get access to it that way. And either an Allen key or a special tool is used to tighten, and what that does is pull the neck back down so that the strings are closer. And obviously guitars, over time, they're under a lot of tension with all these strings, and they slowly, over time, they warp, and then they become unplayable sometimes. So go and get it adjusted, make sure it's at the right height. Also humidity. Here I'm in Thailand at the moment, humidity is full on, the temperature's changed, and my guitar is completely set up differently now because of the way the temperature's changed it. It's now buzzing a lot more than it would normally back home in New Zealand where it's a bit colder. So yeah, so have that action checked out, because that'll make a difference for your bar chords and, well, all sorts of stuff with your playing. It means you can play longer and just have a lot more fun. So get that action checked out. Easy enough to do. Hey, if you like this lesson, please like and subscribe to the channel. My little channel is growing, so it's good that you guys are supporting me. If you want to go to my Facebook page and book a one-on-one session with me, you can do that. Click the book now button and you can have a one-on-one with me. No drama at all. Don't be scared of that at all as well, because I love meeting new people. You can go and subscribe, you can go and click all the things below and watch what I'm doing, follow what I'm doing. I can't even think right now what they are, but there's a description below, and I'd love to meet with you and talk with you about your guitar playing. This is Mark the Guitar Guy, signing off. Catch you later.